This trail camera records in true 4K resolution and captures 64 megapixel stills, so wildlife details like fur texture and antler points come through clearly. A built-in solar panel feeding a large rechargeable battery keeps the unit running for long stretches without the hassle of swapping disposable batteries in the field. The camera's low-glow infrared illumination, long night vision reach, and wide viewing angle work together to cover a broad area without spooking animals after dark. Its very quick motion trigger reliably catches fast-moving game, making it well-suited for monitoring trails, feeders, or property entrances where animals do not linger. Integrated Wi-Fi and app control let you review and download footage from a short distance without disturbing your setup or pulling the camera down. Rugged weather sealing, an included memory card, and a complete mounting kit make this a ready-to-deploy option for hunters and wildlife watchers who want a dependable set and forget camera.